Welcome back to the video, guys. Today we're going to create another wayang, and this one is actually character from 5 Bandao. He is the son of Pandu, and he is called BIMA.
BIMA has two weapons. One of them is Pancanaka nail and also Rujak Pala mace.
So let's start by making the drawing. Legend has it that BIMA has a blue skin and he is very big. Also, he has a very harsh personality and look, although he is actually very kind and very helpful. So I choose the bluish paper to start drawing his figure. As you can see here, I also draw the crown, and his expression is like he's always angry. So I continue on with all the other details and use another paper to create the hands. Don't forget to make the accessories and the other things. Oh, actually I did a mistake right here. But don't you worry, even though it is a mistake, since we're going to cut it out anyway, so I'm just going to continue on. And after we're done, we're just going to cut them off so we can have all the parts ready for us to make the wayang. As for the mace, since there is no detail about the mace looks like, I'm just going to recreate it like it looks like a pumpkin. So, but then again, you can create the mace any way you like it. And after we're done with the cutting all the parts, we're going to need the sticks. But then again, as usual, I actually don't have the sticks with me, so I'm just going to use a used paper and roll it up. I actually divide them into 4 and make 4 sticks. When you're ready with the stick, get your string ready to combine all the body parts. And here I just poke the holes marking that I already marked, just using a very sharp pencil, and then just put the rope going into the hole and put them all together. And I actually just make them don't go anywhere by using a sticky tape and stick it to the body. Continuing with the other parts, and also don't forget to give some string on the sticks that you're going to use for the hands, and then just stick the string on the edge of the hands so you can play it like this. Now we're done, guys, and we can play with our wayang like this. Wayang kulit is basically has a light ray coming out from behind, and actually it also have a screen in front of it, so you can play around with it and basically show it with your friends. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.